Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Asana for managing brand launches. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Asana website at www.asana.com. In the top right corner, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your business email and click Get Started. Check your email for a confirmation link from Asana. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. You will be redirected to the Asana sign-up page. Fill in the required information, including your name and password. Once completed, click on Create Account. You will then be asked a few questions about your work style. Answer the questions to help tailor your Asana experience. After that, you can choose to explore templates. Select Brand Launch from the available template options. Click on Use Template to start managing your brand launch. You will now be taken to your new project dashboard. From here, you can customize the project as needed. Invite team members by clicking on the Share button. Enter their email addresses and select their permission levels. Click Send Invitations to invite your team to collaborate. Start adding tasks to your brand launch project. Assign tasks to different team members as necessary. Set due dates to ensure everything stays on track. Utilize various features such as tags and subtasks for better organization. Monitor progress using Asana's project overview and reporting tools. With these steps, you are now set up to manage your brand launches effectively in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.